Welcome to this video, and I'm going to talk about Australian dollar USD, and I am on H1 chart, on hourly chart. Okay, so you know that I have attached a system and I already have published a lot of videos about the system. Okay, now you can see that it has touched the lowest boundary. That was the entry point for our buy. Okay, so what happened here? The market came down from that level and it touched the red boundary, and that red boundary means that it shows us that now we will be expecting some bullish movements here. And now you can clearly see that the market is going up, and now it has reached at the dotted line which is placed here. Okay, so that dotted line means that this could be the next point to enter into a sell position, because overall on Australian dollar USD we are in a sell position and we are expecting it more to go down. And also I'm going to H4 chart. There will be bullish movements later in the day. But now on an hourly chart we can say that for a couple of hours or maybe 3 to 4 hours we will be in a bearish trend soon. So this dotted line will decide that either market is going to close up that dotted line or it is going to close that below that dotted line. For example, if the market closed the current price action is closed below that line, then we will enter into a sell position. And if it is above the line, so we will wait for the next candle and we will enter into a buy position here. So for your safety, I am saying, because we are in a sell trend, so we will not place a buy order here, because the buy order could be a place to enter here, not here. That I want to say, because the market can move down in any time, and that's basically a deception. 1 2 3 4, these 4 candles are basically deceiving us that we are going into a buy trend. Basically it is not. We will be into a sell soon, so you need to trade according to the system. Okay, so if you want to get the system, that's very helpful, and that will attach this robot on your chart, and you will be able to do very successful trading. Okay, if you want to get the system, then you can email me on makemoneyonline753@gmail.com, or you can get the system from the Fiverr. I have listed it on Fiverr, and you can also get it through the Fiverr.com. Okay, please subscribe my channel, and I will also publish more reviews about this system on different currency pairs, so that you people can come to know about the power of the system. Okay, thank you for watching the video.